Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will be showing you some very simple yet very popular Excel tips that will save you a lot of time. It's called the Control E. This is the flash view. It's been there for a while now and this will save you a lot of time. There are a number of ways to access this, but I will just stick to Control E so you get at least one thing from this tutorial. Let's say I have these names. Like you see, I have names and I want to extract just the first names from this full name. I don't want to use bogus formula, so there are very simple things. You just need to teach Excel how to go about it. Let me do the first one and press enter and press Control E. You have it. If you want the last name, just type the last name, and once you press enter, you press Control E and Excel will guess the rest for you. Let's say I want to form an email, or these are names of employees, and I want to take the first name dot the second name at the name of the organization.org, and that forms the email address for everyone, and I want to get the email addresses for the people from the organization. All I need to do is to do the first one. I'll do the James at, let's go with outlook.org. And once I press Control E, Excel will fill the rest for me. Let's say I want to get back to the former names, and here the full names. I'll do James, and once I press Control E, Excel will fill it up for me. It all depends on your creativity as far as you are able to teach Excel. Let's say I want the initial AI, AJ from this name, and once I press Control E, it's going to give me the initial for all the names. This can be applied in a number of cases, like for instance, if I have the names in lowercase and I want a proper case out of this name, all I need is just to give it an example, and once I press Control E, Excel would finish up the rest for me. If I want these names in uppercase, all I need to do is to give it an example and Excel will do the rest for me. Look at the magic. Yep, all done. No formula. The downside of this, however, is when you go back and edit a name, let's say I remove the S from here, it's not dynamic. So I would have to go back and re-edit and reapply the Control E again. If not, I would not get the right result. That's just one of the downside of this. It also works with dates. For instance, if I just want the year from here, once I type the first one and I press Control E, I'm going to get all the years. It can extract in between. Instead of you using the mid, the upper, the left, the right, you could just use Control E, and let me say I am interested in just the ID number. Once I press this and I press Control E, it's going to extract all the numbers for me. You can play around with this as you so fit, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thanks.